Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2023 Volkswagen Jetta? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2023 Jetta dashboard features a digital cockpit, touchscreen infotainment, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and IQ Drive Safety, offering a sleek, modern experience. The instrument cluster shows key driving data with a clear, customizable display for better visibility. An LCD offers clear visuals with energy-efficient performance, used in screens for dashboards, infotainment, and instrument clusters. The gear system transfers engine power to the wheels, ensuring smooth acceleration and control. Climate control automatically regulates cabin temperature for comfort. The steering wheel controls direction and may include a functional button. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seat belt reminder, 12-volt energy supply, collision, steering, take over the steering immediately, engine coolant, rear traffic, oil pressure, oil temperature, do not continue driving, transmission temperature, autonomous emergency braking, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control, electric park brake, tank almost empty, tank cap not closed. Engine check, sure malfunction. Do not continue driving. Service forward collision, front passengers, front airbag. Emergency call, semi-automated driving. Tire pressure, driving light. Service stop start system, rain light sensor. Steering malfunction, exit warning system. Low washer fluid, autonomous emergency. Adaptive cruise control, emergency assist. Blind spot, adaptive cruise control. Engine control, front fog. Parking issue headlights on, rear seat belt reminder. Turn signal, stop start active. High beam, particulate filter. Engine RPM, transmission. Adaptive chassis control, vehicle key not in vehicle. Outside temperature is below sway bar. Autonomous emergency, distance warning. Eco driving mode, comfort driving mode. Sport mode, normal driving mode. Individual driving mode, mobile phone connected. Front passenger's airbag enabled. Off-road driving profile. Off-road custom driving profile. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.